Have you ever found yourself scratching your head, wondering how to mock an extension function in Kotlin? It can be a bit tricky, right? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to effectively mock Kotlin extension functions using Mockito or PowerMock. I totally get it. Mocking extension functions can feel like trying to solve a puzzle with missing pieces. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face the same challenge when testing their Kotlin code. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how do I mock Kotlin extension functions using Mockito or PowerMock? Since they are resolved statically, should I treat them as static method calls or non-static? Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what's the deal with mocking extension functions? Since they are resolved statically, it can be confusing to know how to approach testing them. Understanding this concept is crucial for effective unit testing in Kotlin. And stick around. I have a fantastic tip at the end that will make your testing process smoother and more efficient. To mock a Kotlin extension function, the user should first understand that these functions are resolved statically. This means they cannot be mocked directly, like regular instance methods. The user can use PowerMock to mock extension functions. First, they need to add the necessary dependencies to their project. This includes PowerMock and Mockito. Next, the user should create a test class and annotate it with PowerMock annotations. This will allow them to prepare the extension function for mocking. Now the user can write a test method where they will mock the extension function. They should use PowerMocks when method to specify the behavior of the mocked function. Finally, the user should run their tests to ensure that the mocked extension function behaves as expected. This will confirm that their mocking setup is working correctly. Fun fact: Kotlin extension functions are a powerful feature that allows you to add new functionality to existing classes without modifying their source code. It's like giving your classes a superpower. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative approach to mocking extension functions in Kotlin is to use the mock-k library. First, you need to specify a Java name for your extension file using the JVM name annotation. Then, you can create a fast mock object that includes methods to mock your extension functions statically. In your tests, you can call the fast mock methods to set up your mocks. For example, you can mock a list extension and define its behavior using the every function. Here's that tip I promised. Always remember to keep your tests clean and focused. Mock only what you need to avoid unnecessary complexity in your tests. And there you have it. You now know how to mock Kotlin extension functions using Mockito and PowerMock. Remember, effective testing is key to successful development. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips. And don't miss our next video, where we dive deeper into Kotlin testing strategies.